Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Nissan Maxima SR in gun metallic. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 17,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 3.5-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at MARINO'SCJD.com, stock number D6325.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.